In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report a user on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser, go to chess.com, and then make sure you are signed into your chess.com profile. After that, first off, we need to open up someone's profile of a user we would like to report. The easiest way to do so is just go to our completed games, then search for a user, and then go to their profile. After that, click at More, and then Report. After that, we'll be able to select a category of our report, like spamming or cheating, and also we'll be asked to block that user at the same time with sending the report. You can check mark it or you cannot. Once you are done with that, click right here to send a report to chess.com support team. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.